We'll guide you through how to create a Spotify artist account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
If you are an upcoming artist and you want your music on Spotify and also want control over your artist profile, this is exactly what you need. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser. You can just go to any browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just search for Spotify for artist and hit enter. Once you do that, just look at the official website, which is Spotify for Artists from artist.spotify.com, and just click on it. This is the platform where you manage your music, track your performance, and customize your artist profile. Once the website loads, you will see a page that talks about managing your music and growing your audience. On the top right corner, you will find a button that says Get Access. Just go ahead and just click on that. You will be prompted to either continue with your username or email, or you can just sign in with your account if you have not created one. And in my case, I'm just gonna sign it with my account, and you can even give your name for the profile, which in my case is going to be GuideRealm, and enter your date of birth, choose your gender, and then click on next. From here, make sure to agree to terms and conditions like so, and click on sign up. After that, just confirm that you are a human, and you may even need to confirm a CAPTCHA. So just complete the CAPTCHA and click on continue. Now at this stage, Spotify will ask you who you are. You will usually see options like artist or manager or label team manager. Since we are creating an artist account, you should select the artist option. This is where many beginners get confused, so let me explain it clearly. You cannot create an artist profile on Spotify without having at least one song uploaded. Spotify does not allow direct upload from artists, so you need something called as a distributor. A distributor is a service that uploads your music to Spotify and other platforms for you. So at this point, if you have not uploaded any music yet, you will need to go with music not yet live on Spotify. And from here, just click on see our preferred and recommended distributor, and it will open a new tab, and you will see the different distributors that are there. You can just click on visit like so, and just get started with them. The process can take a few days, so just be patient, and once your song is live on Spotify through the selected distributor, you can come back and continue with the process. And just go to Spotify for Artists once again, and then from here just click on continue. From here, you will get to choose your Spotify account. If this is your correct account, just click on next. And now you will be asked to paste your artist profile link. To get this link, simply go to Spotify and search for your artist name. Open your profile and then copy the URL from the address bar. Then go back and paste it in this required field. This step is how Spotify know which artist profile you are trying to claim. And after that, Spotify will ask you to verify that you are the real owner of the artist profile. This usually involves logging into your distributor account or confirming some details. Just follow the screen instructions on the screen, and the verification is complete, and your request will be submitted. And after a short review process, Spotify will grant you access to your artist account. And once you are in, you will be able to customize your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, social media link, and more.